Restore the sound quality of your audio system. GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory speaker. Offering the quality, reliability and durability of GM O.E. Manufactured to GM O.E. specification for fit, form and function. Fits. 2017 to 2017 GMC Acadia Limited, 2009 to 2017 Chevrolet Traverse, 2008 to 2017 Buick Enclave, 2007 to 2016 GMC Acadia, 2007 to 2010 Saturn Outlook. Music will sound its best with Delco GM original equipment car speakers, and are GM recommended replacements for your vehicle's original components. Speakers turn electrical energy into mechanical energy to move air, using a permanent magnet and an electromagnet. The electromagnet is energized when the radio or amplifier, if equipped, delivers current to the voice coil on the speaker. The voice coil will form a north and south pole that will cause the voice coil and the speaker cone to move in relation to the permanent magnet. The current delivered to the car speaker is rapidly changing alternating current, AC. This causes the speaker cone to move in two directions, producing sound. These original equipment car speakers have been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. O.E.M. replacement perfect fit. Installed into 2008 Saturn Outlook driver's door. Perfect fit and connectors. Great price and speaker working.